Hi, this is Jeff from Aquabot. In this video, we're going to unbox the Aquabot Xtreme. So the Aquabot Xtreme is a great pool cleaner. It's one of our brick and mortar models. So when you get the box, obviously you're going to want to untape the top. You'll see as soon as you open the box, you'll see the pool cleaner along with the cable. You'll find instructions as well as the warranty registration card. And you can easily go online at Aquabot.com and fill it right out. Take you a couple minutes. You'll also find the flow kit, bottom lid assembly kit. Last but not least, you'll find the power supply. I always like to keep a set of keys handy sometimes. If you don't have a sharp object to open up the box, but inside you'll find a neatly packed power supply. And as usual, it's always good to keep the box for storage or anything else you need. So that's the unboxing video, and we hope that you found this at least useful. And please see our other videos at Aquabot.com for getting started, troubleshooting, and any other things you need.